Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ajax from Wednesday. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. For this drawing, I'm going to start by zooming in on the face. Let's draw a curve for the top of the eyes. Then from the ends, let's draw a small line down. And then underneath, a circle for both eyes. And then inside, let's draw a small circle in the top right. Now let's move underneath and draw a small line under each eye. And then a curve above each eye. And lastly, let's move above and draw the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and draw the nose next. In the center, let's draw a point out to the left and back in. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth with a line across. Now let's hop over and draw the sides of the face. Let's draw long angled lines down on both sides. Then let's curve it down to meet at a point at the bottom. Next, let's add his hat. Let's start with a curve across the top here. Then for the sides of the face, let's draw another curve up on both sides. Then another curve to connect these two sides. And lastly, let's close off the top of the head with another curve. And lastly for the head, let's add a snake coming out from under the hat. Let's start underneath the hat on the top left, and let's draw an S-shaped curve up and over to the left. And let's do the same thing underneath. And then let's close off the end with a curve. Next, inside the head, let's draw a small circle for the eye. And then a Y shape coming out for the tongue. And lastly, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with two curves down for the neck. Then for the ends, let's curve it down on both sides, stopping about here. Now at the bottom, let's draw a small angle down and out. Now move up next to the neck and let's draw a curve out and down on both sides for the hoodie. And then let's add one more curved line inside both sides. Now from the bottom point of the hoodie, let's draw a straight line down for the sides of the jacket. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw the shoulders with curves down on both sides. Then for the ends, let's angle it down and in. Then a straight line down on both sides. And then curves to close off the bottom. Next, let's draw the inside layer of the hoodie. From the inside corner of the hood, let's draw lines down on both sides inside here. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Now let's move inside and add the dress shirt. At the top under the neck, let's draw a V shape. Then curves down on both sides. Next, let's add his tie. Let's leave a gap and move down slightly, and let's draw a line across. 2 angles down, and then close it off. Now above it, let's draw 2 angled lines on the left and 2 on the right. Now underneath, let's draw angled lines down for the tie. And then close it off at the bottom with a V shape. Now let's add the bottom of his dress shirt. Underneath the tie in the middle, let's draw a line down. Then underneath, let's angle it down to the left and down to the right. And then let's curve it back up to the jacket on both sides. Next, let's add some details to his jacket, starting with the collar. At the top, underneath the hoodie, let's draw an angled lines down. Then let's angle it back down towards the center. Now inside on the left, let's draw 2 lines for the buttonholes, and then 2 circles on the right for the buttons. Next, let's draw the Nevermore crest on the top right. We'll start with a line across, angle it down, 2 angles down underneath, and then close it off, forming a hexagon shape. And now inside, let's draw the capital letter N. Now underneath, let's draw small angles down on both sides, and then a V shape underneath. Next, let's move to the sides and draw the arms. From the top to the shoulders, let's draw angled lines down. And then let's curve it in at the bottom. Next, underneath, let's add the hands, starting with the left side. Let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumb. Then let's curve it down and back up to the outside of the hand. And now let's do the same thing for the right hand. And that's it for the upper body. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. We'll start underneath in the center, and let's draw 2 diagonal lines down. Then from both ends, let's bring it straight down. And let's do the same for the outside of the pants. And now let's close off the bottom of each pant leg with a curve. And that's it for the legs. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath each side, let's draw 2 diagonal lines down. Then a curve up and over. And then a curve underneath to close it off. Now let's add the soles underneath. We'll start with 2 lines down on both feet, and then a curve across the bottom. Lastly, inside the top of each shoe, let's draw 2 diagonal lines. And that's it for Ajax. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!